Hi, this is Jonathan with another episode of Window into the Collectorverse, and today we're going to show you how to clean and care for your coins. Like I've said in previous videos, you do not want to clean your coins. The one exception we have is with silver coins and to remove the tarnish from the surface. So firstly we have our silver cleaner, which again is considered to be corrosive. So please read your safety data sheet for the product prior to use. Observe what you need for precautionary requirements. You might want a pair of gloves. Again, I've done this numerous times. I'm fairly confident with my procedure. So first what we're gonna do, we're gonna open this up. And I just wanna say that typically I would do this near a sink. So whether your kitchen sink is probably the best place, stainless steel, maybe wear some grubby clothes in case you spill. But firstly, I'm gonna take my coin and I'm gonna drop it into my cleaning solution. I'm gonna wait about 15 seconds for my tarnish to come off. And while I'm doing that, I'm gonna just prep some paper towel for drying here. So once I feel that the coin's been sitting in there long enough, I'm gonna grab this carefully out of here, little basket. I'm gonna place it into my water. If you were at home, you would just run it underneath the sink. So I'll take my coin, give it a little shake, give it a little rinse, and then I'm gonna place it on my paper towel, and all I'm gonna do is blot dry. You don't wanna rub your coin because you don't wanna cause fine scratches on the face. So that's why we just blot. And once we're happy with that it's dry, we can pull it out, admire history, and place it off to the side because we're gonna do one more for you. So again, holding it, being careful not to splash, not to make any mess, again with the cleaning agent. Once we're happy that the coin's been in there for long enough, typically you don't want to go longer than 15 seconds. We'll place it into our water. And again, remove our coin and just blot dry. And there you have it, 2 clean silver coins.